And I'm going to start with my first question to Hamid. And Hamid, this kind of brings in your experience from retail banking. Sustainability and finance, we never knew that these two terms can go together. But we've witnessed a lot of banks, especially in the recent times, launching products that are driven by social and environmental issues to cater to the ethical consumer market. Our consumers are demanding different things now. They want ethical products, purposes, and brand loyalty. So what's your take on sustainability being the new loyalty, in retail banking?
Thank you very much, Fatma. And I'd just like to start by thanking you for hosting us in this, what I think is a very important topic and a very timely one, in fact, actually. I would just like to start by defining what we mean by sustainability. Sustainability generally improves the quality of our lives. So why is it beneficial for us? It improves the quality of our lives, protects our ecosystem, and preserves the natural resources for future generations. But in the corporate world, what does sustainability mean? So sustainability basically is associated with an organization's holistic approach. So it takes account everything from all kinds of industries, all kinds of practices, and starts at the internal culture of the organization and transforms into the delivery services that these companies provide. Going green and being sustainable is not only beneficial for the company itself, but it also maximizes all the benefits that we all get from an environmental focus in the long term. So basically, it helps ensure a future for all and helps ensure us all a healthy habitat. So basically, when we talk about funding and financing with sustainability, I think they go together really well. Funding and financing such sustainable initiatives, it not only improves the overall economy and the society's well-being, but it also has a knock-on effect of resulting in an accelerated growth across all industries, which includes the banking industry. In fact, actually, since banks grow with the economy, so as the economy grows, there are higher levels of lending, there is increased liquidity through higher levels of deposits. So as banks grow in line with the overall economy, I would actually argue that sustainability must be at the core of all retail banking strategies in order to expand the market and therefore grow your own business as well. Today, the world that we live in, there is a much greater societal focus and awareness on the importance of sustainability in many different activities. So a lot of consumers today would actually look at things such as ESG indicators before they actually purchase products associated with certain companies. In addition to that, investors also would look at these indicators before investing and dealing with institutions. These kind of indicators actually reflect the values and the work culture that affects the general ecosystem and is becoming a much, much larger focus for all customers. So in summary, I'll start by saying that I believe that sustainable finance and the importance of sustainable finance is very important today. It was important in the past, but I think it will only grow in the near future. And this is a very positive matter because it actually helps fund projects that actually have a return back on the economy to all of us in general as a society.
Thank you so much, Hamid. I'm glad that you kind of put into perspective that this was always an important issue, but now we're finding, we're kind of finding a way of putting a framework for all the banks together to kind of assess that in a way that is dormant and in a way that it actually has successful results at the end. And I'm glad to see that banks in the region are assessing their role or starting to in environmental and social issues, because at the end of the day, I think financial institutions are pillars of their community and we greatly influence our consumers as well. And I think I read in a recent article, 90% of consumers actually now increase their trust or brand loyalty to any organization that they're dealing with that supports environmental initiatives publicly or within their practices. So I completely agree with what you said. Thank you.